Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Mazda CX-5, stock number 17M168. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. This is a Mazda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle. You can ask any one of our non-commissioned product specialists for more information on our certification programs. A look at the alloy wheels, and then we're going to take a peek at the tread on the tires as well. Inside, you have cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, you do have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There is plenty of storage room here in the hatch. And then you also have splits on the back seats, so you can go ahead and fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.